Hi everybody, I'm Tyler Malm, Portfolio Leader for our VAV product line, and today we're going to take you through a demo of our single duct hot water VAV with factory installed piping packages. This is a new offering from Trane. Really excited about this launching in first quarter 2023, and so I'm going to take you through some of the features of the box. Here we have a standard single duct hot water box. You can see that we've got our Symbio 210 controller with our AirFi wireless receiver installed from the factory. All of our controls wired back to the factory installed piping package within this enclosure. And we've got our hot water coil on the discharge. Now I'm going to take the cover off and show you what components are inside the enclosure, and we'll talk a little bit about the offering. Cover is easily removed by taking off those two screws. And inside, we have the piping package. If we start over here on the end, you can see our supply and return connections. These connections are a standard size across the product offering with the factory installed piping package. They're also labeled from the factory with supply and return, so you don't have to take the cover off to know which side of the piping package you are connected to. If we start looking at the components of the factory installed piping package, all of the components match the same available options from our ship loose factory piping packages from Rushville, with a few exceptions. So if we start over here on the left on the return side, we've got our auto flow balancing valve and PT ports. You'll notice that those are angled so that you can access the PT ports. And there's a shutoff valve on the back side to be able to isolate the coil. We have the control valve. In this case, we have a floating point Belimo actuator. That's a standard selectable option. Additional options are the standard Trane floating point actuator and also a Belimo analog actuator. As we move down the piping package, you can see that we've got our drain, PT port, and on the back side, we've got our manual air vent. And I'll talk about why that's important in a minute. It's all factory connected to our hot water coils, which are available in 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, and 4 row. The 3 row and 4 row options are important because with decarbonization, as hot water temperatures start to get lower, you need to have a deeper coil in order to maintain your discharge capacity from the hot water side. If we move to the supply side, we've got a redundant manual air vent. Now, if you remember, I just talked about the manual air vent on this side. This allows us to install the VAV box in both left-hand and right-hand orientations without selecting anything different. This matches the flippability of the rest of our single duct product line. We also have our strainer and blowdown valve with a PT port and a manual shutoff valve. The enclosure itself serves a dual purpose. It both supports the factory piping package, and it also provides protection from the shipping and potential installation damage. You'll notice that the height is no higher than the height of the VAV box, so that we're able to stack these in shipping and make sure that all of the components are protected. Here at the end of the unit, you can see our factory installed discharge duct temperature sensor mounted on the discharge of the coil. This is our standard hot water coil from Rushville, and it has the standard top and bottom access panels that are still removable with the factory installed piping package. This allows you to access both the discharge and entering air side of the coil for any maintenance needs. If you look at the length of the unit, you'll notice that this is our extended length unit. This matches the size of our attenuator, our standard attenuator option, so you get some added acoustic benefits from selecting factory installed piping package. The reason we have the extended box is it acts to support both the controller and the factory installed piping package on the same side of the unit. All of our sensors, as I mentioned, are wired back to the controller, so this allows us to keep all of that wired from the factory and allows you to make both your left hand and right hand connections in the field if you wanted to flip the unit over.